If you can hear me, give me an eye. Type an eye for me. Just give me an eye. If you can hear me, give me an eye. Okay. One. We have six persons here. I've only seen high for only one person. Okay, I've seen two. What of the remaining ones? Okay. Okay, three. We have eight participants now. Okay, let's start. Once more, welcome to another day. So, welcome to Afro Innovate Data Analytics class. So last time we did that should be yesterday. Yeah. We did introduction to Excel, where I explained Excel interface. I explained everything there where I show you title bar, how you can save, the difference between save and save as, how you can go back to the backend, and how you can come back to your workbook. And I show you how to create a blank workbook, how to navigate, and they show you different tabs. Explain the meaning of title bar, show you title bar, explain different tabs in Excel, and the ribbons associated with the different tabs in Excel. Uh, okay, and later we went to name box, function box, and formula box. So, and I explained the difference between spreadsheet and the worksheet. I showed you how you can rename your spreadsheet, how you can add some colors to it, how you can make it to be kind of catching the eye. And from there, we did basic data entry where I entered some data for you, formatted it, added borders to the table, remove grid lines, increase columns and rows, all those things. So that's just a quick synopsis of what we did yesterday. And I believe that each and every one of you here got what we did yesterday. Okay, so today we are going to start off with something else in Excel. We are still in Excel. So we are going to start off with something like Excel. Because if you're a data analyst and you don't really know Excel, I don't really know. If you're a data, you're supposed to know how to use Excel. Yes, you're supposed to know how to use Excel. So you know how to use Excel, how to work with Excel, give you an edge. At least a starting point for you. Okay, having known that now, we are going to start up with another topic for the day. Okay, let me share my screen now. Let me share my screen now. A minute, please. Can you see my screen now? Yes, I believe you can see my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's just say, let's wait a little. Let me look at this thing. Okay. Let's just say we have this now. Are we to use this one? Okay, let's continue. Let us say that we have this worksheet now. We have this spreadsheet we have here, retail sales data sheet. I hope you all know how I got this thing now, how we can do this one, add this transaction, date, customer. I hope you all know how we got each and everything here. Yes, but I believe guys, you can do all the things you've seen here. Okay, so we have this now. We have this transaction. We have date. We have customer. There is look up here. We have transaction ID. If you look up here now and you go to this place, this formula bar, you see that I have that this thing should be transaction ID, right? And not just transaction. I'm not seeing the ID. So who can help us? How can I see the transaction? How can I see the full stuff here? And this thing looks like it is hiding behind this date. So how can I see this thing in full, this transaction ID in full? How can I see it? Who can help us? Who can help us? Hello, is anyone there? Why are you on mute? Can you hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yes.
So stop making everything to be boring now. How can I see this transaction ID? No, this is supposed to be transaction ID. Look up here. This transaction ID here.
Yes.
This transaction ID, but I'm not seeing the full transaction ID. I'm only seeing transaction. It's not the transaction is not even showing very well. So how can I make this transaction ID, this particular name box here to show this particular cell to show the full transaction ID? How can I do that?
Okay. What we're going to do is
What's your name, please?
Chike when you go later.
Okay.
What we are going to click on the column, A column. If we click on it, we click on it. We come to A column, yes. If we click on it, we'll now go to the edge, like we'll see a arrow cross.
Like
arrow
this?
Cross. Yes, then you now is it left click and drag?
Left click and drag. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And you don't even need to click. You don't even need to highlight it here before you can drag. You can simply drag, just get it here. Same thing with this date. I'll do same thing because I'm not seeing the date fully here, right?
Yes.
So I'll do the same thing here, so I can see the date fully. Custom, I'll do the same thing here, so I can see everything fully. Gender, we are seeing gender, product category, so you can see, so you can see everything in full. Everything in full. Thank you very much, Ms. Cheka. Okay, let's continue. Having known that now, let's continue. Okay, and I would like to convert this thing we have here now. I would like to convert it into a standard acceptable. Are you getting me? So how do we do it? You can help us. How do we convert this table we have here to a standard acceptable? We did that yesterday. How do I convert this table now to standard acceptable? How can I do that? We did that yesterday here. Just try. I don't have to try.
Okay. Let me try. Hello, can you hear me?
Is this the same checker?
Yes.
Okay, please go on.
Please, I have a little distraction here because you should pardon me because I'm begging. My son is here and he's distracting me. I don't have anyone to babysit him.
No problem. Go ahead.
Okay. We're going to select where we want to add the table first. Then
we're not adding table, we want to convert to standard Excel table.
Okay, to standard Excel table.
We're not adding any column or we're not adding any column or rows. We just want to convert.
You want to convert it to table. Control T.
I like what?
Hello? I said, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
I said, if you want to convert it to standard Excel table, what we are going to do is we select the place that we want it to convert to standard Excel table.
Okay.
Then after we click on Control T or Control plus T. If you Control T or Control plus T, then it will add automatically.
That is this. I selected everything we want to. I hope you all know how I selected this thing. Now how I selected everything here, right?
Yes, how to highlight or we know, sir.
Okay. Then you press Control T.
Yes, and you click OK.
And here we go. We've converted everything here to standard what? Excel table.
Excel
That's
table.
very good. Yes, thank you very much. Thanks very much. Okay, so this is what we have here now. We've converted this thing to standard Excel table. So I want to teach you another function today. I want to teach you another, can I say, yeah, another thing today. I want to teach you find and how you can find. Maybe, for instance, now we want to find something here. Maybe your boss asks you to find, maybe I want to see everything that has to do with electronics here. I want to find electronics here. So we are asked to find electronics under this product category. We are asked to find electronics. So that what are you going to do? We click here, we click anywhere in that particular place. We click anywhere in that particular table now. Then you go to your laptop, you press Ctrl F. Have you seen it now? Ctrl F, that is find. Ctrl F, find. You're looking for what? Electronics. We type what you're looking for. Electronics. That is why we want to pull out electronics. That is fine. Oh, have you seen it now? This dialog box has given us everything that has to do with electronics. Look at it here now. F4. Can anyone hear me? Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you please take that process again, please?
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Please.
Can you hear me?
Hello, can
Yes,
you hear
I can hear you.
Okay, let me start again. For instance, I want to find a particular thing here now.
All right, thank you.
I want to check where can I find this particular stuff here. Maybe I'm looking for something and I couldn't find it here now. I'm looking for it. I said, okay, no problem. Let me see if I have something like this in our table. What will I do now? I'll simply click anywhere in this table. Just click anywhere. It doesn't matter. Then you press Control in your laptop, in your keys, Control, and you press F. F for fish. Control F. Then you pull out this thing for you. Pull out this dialog box for you. For instance, you're looking for beauty. Then we type beauty. Find. I want to find everything that has to do with beauty. Find next is I want to find beauty after the place I have highlighted here now. That is the meaning of find next. But find all is that I want to find everything that has to do with beauty in this spreadsheet. Do you understand now? Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, so here now means find all is I want to get everything that has to do with beauty in this spreadsheet. So once I click find all, have you seen it now? Beauty, I have the first beauty in column F, row what? 2. If I click here now, look at it here now. Column F, row what? 2. So I have another one, column F, row 6. Look at it here. As I'm clicking, it will be showing the beauty. I don't know if I get it. I don't know if you're getting what's happening. Okay, let's go down. Let's go down to the last one. We have column F, row 999. Let's click. I will see it now. Immediately, it takes us down to where the last column we have here, where you can see beauty. After this beauty, there's nothing like beauty here again. Do you understand now? Do you understand now? Understand?
Yeah.
Yes, I believe so. Okay, then we have another one here now. If you can check very well, we have something we call replace here. Replaced. Same place. If you click on replace, the replace means that maybe, for instance, while compiling this data now, I made a mistake and instead of me to put beauty, I wanted to impute what should I impute product category, impute a B, footwears. I wanted to impute footwears, but I made a mistake. I replaced beauty with footwears. Are you getting me now? So it's not possible for me now to keep on replacing it one by one. I'll go to this beauty. I'll click and type footwears. I'll check for another one. No, it will waste much of our time. What are you going to do here now? Here is find, here is replace. Once you click replace, you click at what are you looking for? That is find what? What are you looking for? What do you want us to look for you? That is beauty. I want to find beauty. Okay, no problem. You've imputed what you want to look for. Then what do you want to replace it with? That is replace with. I want to replace beauty here with footwears. Then fineness means I want to look for it first. I want to see where it is. Maybe if you have a particular place you want to replace beauty with footwear, you don't want to replace beauty with footwear in every place. You want to be doing it one by one by one by one. That is fine. Then replace all is that I want to replace everything in this spreadsheet with everything that has to do with beauty in this spreadsheet to footwear. Replace is that I want to be doing it one by one, one by one, one by one. But this replace all is that I want to replace everything that has to do with beauty in this spreadsheet. Are you getting me now? Are you getting me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
with
sir.
me? Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's the meaning of replace all and replace. Findness and find all. So let's replace all now. Once you click replace all, Excel have told you, all done. We made 307 replacements. Telling you that this is the replacement. We have 307 places where we have beauty. Then we've replaced it with what? Footwears. That's all for you. You click OK. You will not see anything that has to do with beauty here again. Have you seen it now? Instead of beauty, you're having footwears. Instead of beauty, you're having footwears. Okay, let's see if we can find beauty now. Let's look for beauty. Let's see if we can find anything that has to do with beauty here now. Find all. Have you seen it now? We couldn't find what you are looking for. Meaning that all those cells that has its value as beauty has been replaced with what? Footwears. Let's find footwears now. Let's find footwears. Have you seen it now? Footwears. We now have footwears in place of what? Beauty. Have you seen it now? We have instead of beauty now we have what? Footwears. Instead of beauty now we have what? Footwears. Okay. So that's how you can find and replace. So it's not for you to be doing it one by one, one by one. So it makes your work to be kind of easier. So you don't have to be doing all these things one by one. For instance, now if we have, let's check for, you know how this thing, you know the meaning of this thing now, filters. I believe you know how this thing, I want to filter. If I filter this thing, that's the meaning of everything we have here. Okay, let's do something now. Let me show you something very quick. Let me show you something very quick. Let me show you something very quick. Just stay with me. Cancel. Let me show you something very quick. Okay, now. Okay, let's just assume this thing so that we don't waste much of our time. Don't mind this value you see here. This thing should be what I'm just trying to explain something for you people now. I want to teach you something with it. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, let me leave that one to be what it is.
Please, I don't understand what you are doing now.
I'm trying to show you. You know how this sounds. I'm just trying to fill up the gap. I want to teach you something. Forget about what I'm doing now. I want to teach you something.
All right.
I know how I'm doing. I'm filling this thing up. You know how I'm doing this thing. You know how I'm filling it now. I believe you know how I'm filling this.
Understand is because I was not in the class because I was not.
When in the classes, okay, no problem. Once we upload the video for you, you go and rewatch the classes today. Okay?
All right.
Okay, look up here now. Look up here now. Remember, we have empty spaces here. Empty space here. Empty. Have you seen it now? Empty. Empty. Huh?
Yes, sir.
How you can see these empty spaces now? This place now. So let's check it. Let's filter. Have you seen it now? This Excel have added another place for me, blank. This blank shows that we have where we don't have values. That's the meaning of blank. Are you getting me? So if you are doing, we still get that place, data analytics now. If you are doing data cleaning, we still get to that place, data cleaning. And you see anything like blank, blanks mean, anywhere you see blank, it means that there is no value there. Are you getting me now? It means there's no value there. That's the meaning of blank. So I have blank here now. Remember, this blank wasn't here before. True of us. Was this blank here before? Was this blank here before? It wasn't here before. This blank here, I only have this blank here because I added everything to these rows and columns, but I didn't add anything here to this column. Are you getting me now? That's why we have blank. So Excel have already detected it that we have blank what? Column, or we have blank what? Row, or we have blank cell. These are cells now, which you know. So Excel have detected that already now. We have blank here. But this blank already, I don't want it to show anything like blank for me. No, we don't want blank. So I want this blank to have a particular value. Are you getting me now? I don't want it to be showing as blank. No, we don't want that. We want this blank to have a particular value. Are you getting me now? Maybe for instance, your boss told you that, okay, this data now, anywhere you see like empty space, replace it with something. And you ask him, okay, okay, what do you want me to replace the empty spaces with? Okay, so for the product category, anywhere you see blank, replace it as others. Are you getting me now? So let that blank spaces have value of what? Others. Anywhere you see blank space, you add as what? Others. No problem now. And we've seen a blank space here. We've seen a blank space here now. Then how do we change this blank space to turn to what? Others. It's very simple. We remember, Control F to find. That's the first thing you do. You're looking for blank space, right? You're looking for blank space, right? Blank space, you don't type blank. You don't type blank. If you type blank, it means that blank or whatever the spelling is. I will that Excel won't give you anything if you type blank, or Excel won't give you anything. Because why is Excel not giving you anything? Excel is not giving you anything because the value of that thing there is not blank. I don't know. I don't know if you are getting the logic there. What is there now is electronics. If you type blank, it means that blank, as in it is spelled there, should be here. I don't know if you are getting the gist.
Yes, sir, we got
the
it.
category is showing you blank here now, but it is in what? It is in what? And what is this thing called, sir?
Bracket.
Sorry, thank you very much. In brackets, meaning that this blank here now, all I can see this one, select all. Select all is not a value. Blank here now, it means that it is empty. The value is empty. That's the meaning. So Excel will not write empty for you. It will write blank, showing that it is what? Blank. So for you to type blank here now or blanks now, Excel will not give you anything because it is not type blank or blanks here. Am I making sense? Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
So let's just leave it as empty because the value here is empty. And let's see if you are going to get it. I've seen it now. Excel have shown you. Find all. I've seen it now. Excel have shown you where it is empty. I don't know if you are getting where this thing is empty. Excel have shown you where it is empty. Look at it, the first one, second one, third one. Because the value here is empty. Nothing is written there. But I want to replace that empty place. I want to replace it as others, as directed. I want to replace it as others. So let's press what? Replace all. I've seen it now. It has replaced it with what? Others. Do you understand now? Do you understand?
Yes, sir, we understand.
So this is how we can find and replace. Remember now, I did this thing for a particular column. That is for this column now. I did it for a particular column now. But in a case that we have what we want to replace, maybe we want to replace something here. We want to replace another thing here now. Okay, let me see if I can get another cells. Let me see. Let's just use this one now. Please hold on. Okay, we have, let me see if you guys are still following. Branch data is known as what? Here is known as what? Who can help us?
Spreadsheet.
Thank you. Calendar is known as what?
Spreadsheet.
Good. So branch data, calendar, product details, and sales, when combined together, they are known as what?
Worksheet.
Good. Very good. Very, very good. That's good of you, people. I like that. Somebody called me.
Please, I don't understand. I'm sorry.
You were here yesterday.
That was what I'm saying, that I went for the program.
No problem. No, if you weren't here yesterday, calm down. We are going to upload a video of yesterday and day before yesterday class. So you go and rewatch the video. You get it now?
Right.
And you go and rewatch the video,
Yes,
then you catch up. It's not a big deal. You go and rewatch the video, then you catch up. I'm looking for something that is here and something that is here as well. Kashuma is here. This is not what we are looking for actually. Don't say. Please hold on. Let me see if I can guess what we are looking for. Okay. Okay. I think this should do. Have you seen it? This is a data set. This is data set now. This is employee attrition data set. Okay. I think this should do. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me use this one for instance now. Let me use this one for instance. Let's convert a standard executable now. Okay, standard executable now. So let's use this for instance. Maybe now I want to change everything that has to do with one. This is one now, right? So I want to change in this place, everything I have here now, I want to change one. Everywhere you see one value of one, I want to change it to what? Let me say I want to change it to what? Okay. We want to one. You're looking for one. We want to change it to one. Look up here now. Look up here now. We want to change this one to this thing now. Let's find all. Have you seen now? One. So we have one here. This is one. The first one we have another one. This is another one we have. Are you getting me? So are you seeing something now? It is not particularly showing you for a particular column. It is showing you for all the places you have anything one. I don't know if you're getting me now. It is not showing you a particular column, unlike the one we did before. Look up this one now. Let me show you. See this one now. This one was showing us only for this column. Are you getting me now? But unlike this one I'm showing you now, this one is showing us different columns where we have one. Look up here. We have one here. Different columns, not one. Have you seen it now? Do you know why this is showing us different columns now? Because we didn't highlight a particular column that this thing will affect. We just did it for anywhere we see one in this data set. Anywhere we see one here now, whether it is left or right, anywhere you see one, change it to one. Let's replace. Have you seen it now? There are 12,796. So assuming that we want to change everything that has to do with one, and there are 12,796, can you do that with your bare hand? We change it one by one, one by one. Can you do that with your bare hand? No, it will be very, very hard for you to do that. So this is just how we can do it now. But this is not really what I want to. I just want to show you why the difference between. Look, let's go back. Okay, if you come back, I know how I did this thing now. Control Z or here. I explained this thing yesterday. But now I want this thing to affect only this column and not the other ones we have. Only this particular column now. Only this particular column and not the other ones we have. I want to change this column now. Remember the last one we did, it affected everything here, but I want it to affect only this particular column now. So how do I do that? I'll simply highlight this column now. Are you getting me now? I'm not telling Excel. I want to find for only this column and not the other column. I'll click Ctrl F. I'm looking for one. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it now? It's giving me for that column alone. For that column alone. I don't know if you're getting what I'm doing here now.
Yes, sir.
It's giving me for that column alone and not other columns because I've highlighted it. The other one I did, I never highlighted anything. I just clicked anywhere and did Ctrl F and Ctrl R to change. But here now, I've took Excel. Okay, please, don't touch any other place. Don't touch any other column. Don't touch any other row. I want to work on this particular column now. I want to work on this particular column. Don't go anywhere again. That's the command I just gave to Excel. That's why I'm having only for this particular column. It won't go anywhere again. It won't go towards the left or right. Rather, it will just be telling you, give you the value of one here. Just be giving you the value of one here. Have you seen it now? As we go down, And if you want to replace it with one, look up here now. Replace all. Okay, sorry. Replace all. I've replaced everything here, sorry. So if you want to replace this particular column now, you highlight, then you go here now. You select all. I want to replace one. You select all. Select one. Press OK. Have you seen it? I filtered only one. I filtered only one. Then we can replace. Have you seen it now? Replace all. Okay, I did this. You don't replace all. Sorry, you replace. So that is how you replace and how you find. That's how you replace. And if you want to do a particular column, and that's how you do it. So let's go back to what we are doing. Don't save. I don't want to save it like that. Did we replace? Okay, we replace something here. Okay. The next thing we are going to do here is conditional formatting. We are done. And we know that finding and replacing helps us to find a large pool of data sets and kind of replace them. Are you getting me? So that's what we use find and replace for, to find a large pool of what? Data sets, and what replaces what? Them. That's the meaning of find and replace, to find a large pool of data sets and replace what? Them. Then let's go to the next one is conditional formatting. So I don't want to bore you with plenty things today. I want to get a few things then. So conditional formatting. What do you mean by conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is just like a way of identifying a kind of certain trend within a spreadsheet. Are you getting me now? If we want to identify a certain trend within a spreadsheet, we use conditional formatting. That is, we want to do a quick analysis on that spreadsheet before we do the main analysis that has to do with pie charts, bar charts, all these ones. But we want to do a particular analysis. We just want to do a synopsis of analysis within a spreadsheet. Then that's when we use what? Conditional formatting. And how do we do that? You go to, this is home now. This is the ribbons we have. You go to the ribbon of what? Style. See this ribbon? Styles. Then you go to this styles. Then you go to conditional formatting. Then there are many conditional formatting here now. Data bars. These data bars now we help to look at it, add color bar to present the value. As the higher the value, the longer the. So let's use this one. Let's select this one. Do you see something? Okay, let me change the color because of. Let's use blue. Blue is preferable. Do you understand something? Look up here. This is look up here. I use this thing as, excuse me. Okay, sorry for that. Welcome. Yeah, I'm here now. I'm here. Sorry for that. Okay. Remember, this one I've done analysis on this thing. Price per unit now. If you look up here now, you can see that the higher the value, the longer the bars. Do you understand now? It helps to show you the ones that has the highest value. It will take the longest bar. Look at this 500. I wish that this 500 has the longest bar. But look at, you have 30 here now. See the bars of 30. 50 is longer than 30. 130 is longer than 25. Do you understand? So it's helpful to do a quick analysis on a word asset before we can do the main one. We can still do another one. We can still add another one. Let's do on total amount. Let's do total amount. This one we did with color. Let's do with color scale. Let's do with color scale. Color scale. Okay. Look up here. This is the color scale. Let me change the color scale. Let me change the color scale. I don't really like this one. So just you keep playing with the different colors, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, yes, good. This is what we're looking for. Look up here now. We are making use of color scales. If you look up here, you will see a difference between this and this color and this color. This color, remember, red shows what? Know that red shows danger, something that is not good or legit. Let's just keep it that way. So if you see that this 30 is the least value here, and it has a ticker value, a ticker red. Are you getting me now? Unlike 100 here now. But if you look up here now, we have green, that green, which is 2000. So green here now shows the highest value. I don't know if you're getting the concept of this conditional formatting. Conditional formatting helps us to pull a kind of, to do a kind of quick analysis or quick synopsis in our data set. Quick analysis on in our what data set. Let me find a larger data set, the one that has greater value. The one that has greater value. Just wait a little. Let me get one that has greater value. Retail sales data set. Okay. Okay, this is the one we are making use of. Superstore. Just hold on a little. Okay, let's make use of this one. This one is preferable. Let's make use of this one. Oh, sorry. Control T. Enter. Okay, let's make use of this one. Profit now. This profit, profit should be. This is profit now. Okay, I want to put a conditional formatting here now. I will highlight, then go here now. Home, remember home. We want to do color scheme. Let's use this now. What is wrong? What is wrong with this one? Oh, I think this file is protected. This file is protected. This file is protected. No. This file is not good for analysis. Just wait a little. Let's pull out something good. Let's pull out something good. Let's see if we can something good. Okay, this one has few values. Okay, let us stick to this one we have here. Let us stick to this one we have here. So that's just for what is it called? Conditional formatting. And the good thing about this thing is that you have many styles you can use in conditional formatting. It's not only this and this you can use. And if you want to remove a conditional formatting here, the one that has been formatted already, you can still remove it too. You highlight, you go back here, you see clear rules. Clear rules. If you want to remove the formatting, you go to clear rules now. Clear rules from selected cell, or clear rules from entire sheet, or from this table. If you click on clear rules from selected cell, it means that I want to clear this rule from this particular column you have here now. Click from entire sheet is cleaning everything that has to do with formatting in this entire spreadsheet in particular. Are you getting me now? I'll click on this table. So that's two different things altogether. So we want to click from this, we want to clear rules from selected cells. So I have cleared this rule for this selected cell now. I have. So we can still add another one. Let's make use of icons. Let's make use of icons now. See this icon. Okay, have you seen it now? Look up here now. Look up here. If you look up here now, you can see that this shows what? 50. This arrow shows down movement, telling you that 50 is a list price. Are you getting me now? 50 is now, are you getting me? Is one of the list price we have here now. If you see, look at 500, look up 500 now. It's showing you upward movement. It's showing you upward movement. Look up this one, you have 300. This 300 is showing that it is in between. I don't know if you're getting the gist. I don't know if you're getting the gist now. So that's for adding on conditional formatting. That's just for conditional formatting. And one good thing about conditional formatting is that you can add one or more than one conditional formatting in one cell. For example, now this particular cell now, I can add more than one formatting here. I can use this thing now. I can add data bars to it. I've written it now. I've added data bars to it. I've added one. I can even add another one here to it. color scales. I've seen it now. I've added another one to it. So you can add more than one format into this one using conditional formatting. So it's just as simple as that. There's nothing much with it. Clear rules. Okay, under this conditional formatting, there is one that we need to learn. We can clear the rules now. Okay. In a way that, for instance, your boss said, okay, please, can you pull up? I want to see, okay, let me use this one. Okay, no, let's use this one. Let me clear this rule. Wait a little. For instance, he said, I want to see total amount. Maybe we want to track our performance now. And he said, please, I want to see maybe our total amount. We just pegged our profit to be from 1,000 and above. That should be our profit. But any price less than 1,000 is not a profit. Are you getting me? Kind of loss. But so we want to show prices that are between 1,000 and above only. Are you getting me now? We want to show their profit. That is, we want to highlight not everything. We just want to know which ones we have as profit. That's from 1,000 and above. How do we do that? We select here now, total amount. We go to conditional formatting. Can you see it now? I visit it now. Highlight sales rules. This one, you go to rules. Greater than. Remember, we want to show our profit. That is the one that is for 1,000 or what? Above. Do you understand now? The one that is 1,000 and above. So we can go to greater than. You want to get the one that are greater than 1,000 and above. Remember, that is 999. We want to know the one that are 1,000 and above, meaning that we want to know from greater than 999. Then we can select the ones we have. Since it's profit, we don't use red. Let's use green. This is profit. Let's use green and okay. Have we seen it now? Good. Have we seen it now? We are seeing the ones with what? This one that is green, have you seen is more than 1,000. More than 1,000. More than 1,000. It's not highlighting the one that is more than 1,000 for us, leaving the ones that are below 1,000. But now we want to know the ones that are below we want to show those ones that are below our profit. Remember, we still have to go here. Then we highlight sales rules. We want to know the ones that are below our cost price, less than. That is less than 1,000. You can use let's just use red. Good. Have we seen it now? The one that are below 1,000, have we seen it now? If I highlighted the ones that are below 1,000 to show that this one that is below 1,000 means these people don't something like greater profit for us here now. But this one that's in green, that are in green words, in green format shows the sales that we made that are below words, that are above 1,000, that's from 1,000 and above. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what we use conditional formatting to do. Are you getting me? So we just use conditional formatting as a way or a process to identify patterns. Are you getting me now? To identify pattern within a word spreadsheet. Are you getting me now? And one more thing you should know about conditional formatting is that most times, or not even, I like to say most times or every time. Yes, every time it is used only for anywhere that has to do with numbers. You don't use conditional formatting anywhere that has to do with alphabets, no, or anyone that has to do with strings or this thing. No, you don't use conditional formatting there because it won't show anything. Conditional formatting works only with words, numbers. It works only with words, numbers. So that's what we use conditional formatting for, to run a quick word synopsis, to extract trend in a word spreadsheet, a kind of a quick analysis on our word spreadsheet before we can do the main analysis. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Yes, I believe so. Okay, let me see. Let me look for. Let's work on this now. Let's get. So we can add more than one to it. Icon styles, we can add more than one to it. Okay, very good. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. This is the style. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it now? This one will show you chart. This one will show you chart to it. You can even identify it from this chart. Have you seen that I've added more than one to it? Not even one. I've added more than one to it. So I've added this one. I've added this one. I can still even add another one if I want to. So you keep on doing that, keep on doing that. So there's nothing much in conditional words formatting. So I don't really want to bore you with much stuff for today. So next week, we are going into more of functions, average function, data cleaning, and everything. So do you have any questions so far on the ones you've done? Any questions so far? Any questions so far?
Yes, I have a question.
Okay, go on. Ask a question, please.
Please, is that blank space? I'm a little bit confused on that side.
Okay, what's the question there?
The
How to
black.
identify that blank space in find? Like if you press Ctrl F, how do you identify that blank space?
How to identify blank space? Let's
In
use
find,
another.
yes.
Let's use another. Okay, this one should be better. Let's use because this one is smaller. This file is smaller. This file is smaller. Let's use this one that is smaller. Okay.
Okay.
Let's use file that is smaller. So I'm trying to pull up something that is smaller. I'm going to open this here so that we can wait a little. Okay. We have this now. I believe you know how to convert now. You know how to convert to standard acceptable.
Yes.
You convert now. Then let's add another one. Oh, this is so let's add let's find something. Let's add something. No, let's add what is this thing I'm going to add now? It's not that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to add something now. So that I'll use it to explain. Okay, no, really. Let me use this one. Okay, wait. Before we add anything here now, wait, let me show you something. Okay, look up here now. We have this spreadsheet now. We have the data set we have here now. Look up if you click here. Remember, these are the values we have here now. Look up if you just wait this thing very well. There's nothing like blank here. There's nothing like blank here. Can you see anything like blank?
No.
Can you see anything like blank? No.
No.
There's nothing like blank here. Okay. Let's check here. Nothing like blank here. Abi?
Yeah.
But we want to add something to it. Let's add a value here now. Then let's check again. If you are going to see something here now, do you see anything like blank? No. Instead of updated this thing to 23 and 234, have you seen it now? The values will be added now, the new values. Have you seen it now? Then let's check it now. Have you seen blank?
Yes.
That is the new ones we have now. It must not come here. It can be, okay, let me know how to insert now. Let's insert. Assuming this is you're still going to do data clean anyway. Remember now, then we have blank space here. Abi, true of us. We have blank space here. We have blank space here. We have blank space here. We have blank space here, and we have blank space here. Let's check. Have you seen it now? Excel will identify everything that is blank as blank, no matter the position. And it usually comes last. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Excel will identify everything that has to do with blank as blank, and usually comes what? Last. That's the blank we have here now. Okay. Then we want to change. Maybe we have an instruction that anything that has to do with blank, we should put a value there. And what are the value are we going to put? Let's just say that we want to put everything that we have as blank as others. Are you getting me now? We want to check everything that has to do with others here, and blank space. We want to put it as what? Others. What do? You press Ctrl F, that is for find, right?
Yeah.
If I write, remember here now, if you pull up here now, you are seeing blank here now. If you type blank here, as opposed to what we are seeing here now, and do find, Excel will not give you anything. Why? Because the value it is showing here, it is not typed as blank. This thing you type here as blank means that, okay, this thing is blank. It is showing as blank, and it is spelled as BLANKS. I don't know if you're getting me. That's the meaning of this thing you've done here now. By typing blank side, it means that show me anywhere I have this value blank. I don't know if you're getting that logic now.
Yeah.
So that's why Excel is not showing you anything, because there's no place this thing, this blank now is typed out here. There's no way, there's no place it's typed out here now. So it can't show you anything. What you give to Excel is what to give back to you. So in that case now, we want to find empty spaces now. That's what we call it, empty spaces. That is empty. We want to find where we have no value. We check for blank. Have you seen it now? Find all. Have you seen that Excel has shown you those places we have what? Empty values.
Please,
empty.
what did you click that pull out all this stuff?
That is, you don't put any value here now. Just leave this place as empty. Just leave it, because I'm looking for the place that is empty. You don't put anything there. You click on find all. Find
okay.
all. That is showing you all. That is showing you every. That's the meaning of find all. To show you every place that has to do with empty spaces. Everything that has to do with empty spaces here. That's the meaning of find all. Find all. So then if you want to replace it as others, I said now, you go to the place and not find. Find is for you to go to see it now, to find it, to know where it is. That's the meaning of find. The replace now is for you to replace those values. You want to put it as others. Are you getting me now? Find all. So you want to replace anywhere that is empty. This empty space, so you want to replace that as others. Then click replace all. Have you seen it now? We've made 5 replacements. Have you seen it now? Anywhere we see blank space as replaced with others, 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 others. Then if you check here, you are going to see others. Can you see others now?
Yes.
Can you see others now? It is now a value here now and not empty. It is no more a bracket, unlike the blank space. Do you understand now? Because it's now, it is a value now. It's like a container. Are you getting me now?
Yeah.
So that's why it is here now and not as blank. Again, because I've replaced the blank spaces with what? A value, a definite value. That's why we have something like here. Others here now. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Any more question? Any more question? Any more question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think
ask a question.
when will the video for this one be ready? Because I think I had a call, so I missed most of the stuff tonight, so that I can rewatch the video and get the part I missed.
Friday. It's ready by Friday.
Okay, tonight so will be ready by tomorrow.
Yes. I hope you've done the assignment I gave you people.
We'll do it.
Tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Yes. Google Doc, Abi, or which
Is
one?
it?
Yes, the Google Doc one.
Difference
Yes,
between data analysis and data science.
Okay, that's the assignment I gave you people, right?
Yes, that's the assignment.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it on Google
now
Doc.
I want to give you another assignment.
Another assignment.
Yes. Yes. I want to give you another assignment now.
But sir, that assignment, could you please
The first video of the tutorial.
I can't hear you. We have so many people that are talking. One person should talk at a time.
the assignment wants to give us. It should be on Excel, right?
Why not? It's on Excel.
Okay.
The first one is not on Excel now. This one I want to give you now is on Excel.
Okay, sir. But please, I would like you to please drop the note so that the note will guide us on how we do this, sir.
I should do what?
You should drop the note so that the note will guide us on how to do the assignment.
That one is not a problem. We are going to drop the video, not even the note. We drop the video so you can still rewatch.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Sir.
And thank you. So who else? Somebody wanted to say something.
Yes, I'm the one. I think
No more
the
question.
first
Ask a question. Huh?
the video have not been released.
I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said, are you hearing me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Yes, go on.
Hello?
Yes, go on.
Okay. What I'm saying is the first class that we took, have the video been released? Be careful.
All the videos will be made available tomorrow.
You're not loud enough. Can you come again? Do you ask about the video? All the videos will be available to you. That one is we are going to make the videos available to you. Okay. The next assignment I'm going to give you now is this. Do you see this Amos cells data we have here now? This one we have here. Huh?
Yes.
Can you see this one?
Yes, you can see.
I want you to replicate what I have done here now. But instead of you to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will make it up to 30 entries from 1 to 30. Do you get it now? From one, this is assignment for the week. So we are going to have 2 assignments for the week. The first one I gave you and this one. From 1 to 30, listen very well. From 1 to 30, you do from 1 to 30. The serial number should be from 1 to 30. Then the name here, you should not repeat names here now. Ahmed, Buhari, you should write the names here. Once you write the names here, it should be different names from 1 to 30, different names. Region could be south, west, because we have four regions now. Or better still, you can still remove the region. Don't add the region. Don't add this region. Do you understand? Don't add, okay, no problem. Add the region. Add the region. Remember, we have 4 regions: north, south, west. Add the regions. Then phone number. This phone number. Don't go and drag this thing I did here. Don't go and do the same thing I did. Like select 2, then you drag. I will find out. You type the phone numbers one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. I'm not doing this thing to show you people shake it, not or something like that. No. Remember, I told you that data analytics has to be do with you putting everything into practice. It is not for people that are lazy that can't do anything. So I'm telling this so that you know how to type, make use of Excel, so that you can type with Excel. So you type the phone numbers one by one. I never said you should give me a valid phone number. No, I never say such. But the phone number should be up to 11 numbers. So I don't know. Don't add another. You can make it, okay, make the phone numbers to be 10 so that you can add somebody's number there. Make the phone numbers to be 10 instead of 11. And the phone numbers should be different. If I see any phone number that is similar to each other, you fail though. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Sorry, excuse me. Please, if you are not muted, mute yourself, please. All the people that are unmuted, that didn't mute their video, they should mute themselves.
Mute yourselves. Mute yourselves. Let me come again. I want you people to replicate everything that I have done here now. See this thing I have done here now. But in this case, you won't write Amos sales data. You will change your name. If your name is Cheka, you can change your name to Cheka tax. Your Cheka right? Tax 1. this should be because of those people that will copy. That if you want to copy, then if you want to copy, you copy the person's name. They know that you've copied. So they can catch you easily. This is checker. You write your name here, tax 1. Are you getting me? Sorry, this should be tax 2 because that one I gave you is tax 1. The data analysis by data science, that one should be tax 1. This is tax 2. So you write your name, checker, Ekwenugu, tax what? 2. Serial number should be 1 up to what? 30 and not 20. Name, you put name, different names, or not the same names, so from number 1 to 30. Then region is south. We have 4 regions, south, north, east, and west. And don't come here and do south here, south, then north. Be changing it so that as this thing is here now, are you getting me? So that south, north, west, east, just be changing everything. Then phone number. Phone number should not be up to 11 before you put somebody's number. It should be 10 only. The phone number should be different. No 2 persons should have a separate phone number. I have the time to check it. I'll just bring out just one day to check everything here. So if I mistakenly see different, mute yourself. Thank God, mute yourself. If I mistakenly see different names here, the same number, even if it's 2 columns or 2 rows here, even if it's 2 rows, same number, it's called 0. I'll put 0 for you and add your eyes and your nose and your mouth. Then bank here, you can use the same bank I have here, Janet, but I want the banks, at least if you have 7 different banks, 7 different banks for different persons. We have up to 10 different, up to 10 banks. Well, it's possible. Then we can just use, mute yourself. Who is that? Thank God, Ali, mute yourself. Thank God, mute yourself. I'm repeating myself now. I know why I'm repeating this thing. Here now.
Who is this person?
5 different banks. The banks here now should be 5 different banks. Then the profits here now. You put real values here for profit. You see this profit you are seeing here now. These ones are the, excuse me. These are the profits. These are the names profits that are generated by myself now. You put different profits. Not 2 persons should have the same profit. Are you getting me now? But they should be high values. Are you getting me? It should be 1,000. Are you getting me? In dollars. Then you add values. You add the symbol. You can use any currency you like. You can use dollar. You can use pounds. You can use naira. Any currency you like, you can use. Any currency you like, you can use. Are you getting me now? Account number. The account number should have 0 at beginning. Then different account numbers. Are you getting me? Up to 10. Then quantity the same thing. Quantity the same thing. You keep changing the quantities here up to 30. Do you get that now? Account number should be different. So not 2 persons should have the same account number. Quantity, you vary it. Based on this now, do you have any question? Do you have any question based on this? Based on this, do you have any question?
Yeah, please. Hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah, you said we should make 30 names. That's serial number from 1 to 30. But when you got to the phone number part and the account number or thereabout, you said we should make it 10. So does that mean we can repeat those?
Account number should be different. Account number should be different. No 2 persons should have account number now. Do you have the same account number with other person with your
No, I was planning to the phone.
The phone number. I said for the 10. Not 10 phone numbers. The numbers, if you count, it should be 10 digits. I don't want to make you mistake and I use somebody's phone number here and put somebody's phone number here. I get it. That's why I said that it should be 10 digits. Different phone numbers for different persons. Any question?
You said something about the account number, that the account number starts with 0.
Yes, you put some to start with 0. Look at this one now. This one has 0 now. You can see this one has 0.
Okay.
Do you understand?
At the
This one
beginning,
has it as well. So you can vary it. You got some, huh?
Is that at the beginning or in between?
Beginning. Start with. Some account numbers can start with 0. So some account number must, not can, must start with 0.
And we can use 1 also.
Yes, but you must have an account number that will start with 0. You can make 2 or 3 account numbers to start with 0. Then you can go on with your 1 or 2 with other ones. But I want to see 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 account number that starts with what? 0.
All right, no problem.
Are you getting me now?
Yes,
Do you get that now? Wait to. Then if you come at this profit, you add conditional format to me for me now. Do you understand? Do you understand? This profit now, you add conditional format to it. Huh? You've done conditional formatting now. You add conditional formatting to this profit we have. Huh? The profit only should have conditional formatting. Quantity should have as well. So you add conditional formatting to profit and quantity only. I want to see for each of these profit and quantity, I want to see like 3 different conditional formatting for this profit alone. You add 3 formatting style to profit. Then you add them 3 formatting style to quantity. 3 different formatting style to quantity. 3 different forms for profit. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, I believe so. So that's the assignment. Do everything I've done here. Let me come again. Do everything I've done here. Entry should be 30. Different names. Region, you take 4 regions. Phone number should be 10. Bank, at least I want to see 5 different banks here. At least, I say at least. Not, it doesn't mean that I don't want to see more than 5. 5 different banks at least. Profit, you change the values here. And the value should not be that small. You can make the highest be in thousands. Account number, 1 or 3 or 2 or 4 accounts should start with 0. Then quantity here, simple as that. Add conditional formatting to 3 different conditional formatting for me for profits. Same thing with what? Quantity. That's all. Then you are done with the assignment. Then once you are done with it, what you are going to do is that you take a screenshot of this. I hope you know how to make a screenshot now. If it is too much, if your data set is too much, you know how to reduce. I've shown you how to reduce now.
How did they screenshot on laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to screenshot in your laptop now, you go to Google and type how to screenshot this. Google will show you, because I don't know the laptop you're making use of. Are you getting me now? For instance now, let me show you. You can type how to screenshot and HP G840G5. Okay. I've seen it now. Bob will show you how to press window and press keys. I've seen it now. Can you see it now?
Okay.
So you go to Google and type your own. Your Google will show you how you can screenshot your laptop. I don't know, some of your system, if you want it, I don't know if you can increase. Remember, I told you that it should be from 1 to 30. I don't want to be seeing all these things. I don't want to see all these things. This thing, I only want to see your dashboard. Sorry, your spreadsheet. I just want to see this thing. Screenshot this area for me. Then you send that page. If you send it, you add your name to it. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
I believe so. Or if you have, look up here now. Let me show you that way of taking screenshots. You see this start now. You press start.
Let's start.
You press start now. This starts. That start menu now. You press S. My own is snip and what is it called? Snip and sketch. That's snip and sketch. You go to new, snip and sketch, new. That's the one I'm making use of. I don't know what the system has. So new now, it will give you the opportunity to screenshot, to take the areas you want. I want to. Can you see this arrow?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
see the
sir.
arrow? So I want to
Yes,
take
sir.
from this region now. I'll start from here. That's the region I want to take. Have you seen it now? I'll stop here. Simple. Then it will bring out this for me. Have you seen it now? Then I'll go to save. Then I know where to save it now. It will bring out the dashboard for me. Stop. Offering of it.
Okay.
So I can save it as tax 2 or tax anything I want to save it as. So if I go back to that place now, I've seen it now, tax 2. Let me open it. Do you see it now? Do you see it now?
Yes.
Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you
Sir,
can do this.
the name on it, the sticker equally. Can we use our name? Or we can
He said what?
The sticker, the name that you use there, is it our name we use or this name?
No, you don't use this name. Use your own name. Use your own name. Whatever your name is, change it.
All right, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You change it. Whatever your distance is, you can change it. And make sure you have a separate folder for storing your assignment too. Make sure you have a separate folder for storing all your assignments. Hope you know that.
All right, sir.
Okay, so I believe you don't have any other question.
Please, this last part that you did
we have
now,
to call it
that you went to start menu. Sorry, please, before you go, please. Sorry, hello.
What do you want me to do there?
No, this last screenshot, this last step that you did for this screenshot now, you went to start menu. I just want to get quick something there. You say you search for, you did what? Sketch and new, or what's the
Snip
name?
and sketch. Snip and sketch. That's the name. Snip and sketch. Let me type it here for you.
Sleep. No
search
problem.
for snip and I don't know if your laptop has it or not. So don't know if you.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Yes,
so
sir.
you can search for it. If it does, better for you. If it doesn't, you look for a way to do that for me. That's assignment as well. So that's it. Snip and sketch.
Yes, sir.
And so you can do it from there and find your way to it. So check for snip and sketch. Any other question? No.
Please, sir, me, I want to ask a question.
Okay, ask a question.
Please, for those that do not have laptop, can they make use of their phone?
Now your phone give us this functionality.
That's...
The truth is that you need to have a laptop before you can do data analysis. So you need to have a laptop, because when we go to Power BI, how do you use a laptop? How do you use your phone to do Power BI? So you need to have a laptop, or even if you don't have, you can still borrow. Then install Excel in it. For now, we don't install Power BI because you've not gotten that area. So you need to borrow a laptop and yes, okay.
All right.
Any more questions?
Please, when are we start? Please, sir.
When are we to start? Start what?
When are we to submit the assignment?
If you are done with the assignment, submit it. You have submit it on of this assignment. Now you have to submit it, this particular one on or before Saturday.
Yay.
God.
Please, sir.
There's no light though.
There's no light though, because my own system like this, there's no light.
You don't have faith that will bring light. They will bring light. Today is still Thursday. You still have Thursday, Friday.
It's for like 2 weeks now from my own area.
Please, sir. No problem. Sir. Please, can we?
Okay.
Please help us.
Okay. The least we can go. The least we can go is on or before Sunday, 6 p.m. On or before Sunday, 6 p.m. So I should be seeing the screenshot of this particular one. Remember, the data analysis, that other one, I asked you to keep the link, right? I will show you.
Yes.
Just do this one.
All right.
So
where are we sending this one to? You say you should receive the screenshot.
the
Is
group,
it the same thing?
that screenshot now, this screenshot, after saving it, you will take the group, you paste the group and write your name there. You write, while sending it, you write below here. If your name Chika Ekunugo, tax 2, same one, you send. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Chika Ekunugo, you send it together with these screenshots to that group. Oh, that's okay by you, bro. Okay,
Please.
so, okay.
Please,
Ask
help
question.
us with the recording.
If you send it over and over again, you get the recording. That one is not a problem. You get the recording.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
do your assignment, and we will see later on by next week. Have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.
And you too. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Good night.
Good night.